We're looking at a development in today's in-depth episode that has the potential to drastically alter the Asian financial scene and, to be honest, establish a standard for XRP acceptance worldwide. According to reports, Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, often known as MUFG, the biggest banking conglomerate in Japan, is about to launch XRP for international settlements on a massive scale. This is not a small-scale test or pilot initiative. According to sources, MUFG is getting ready to incorporate XRP into all cross-border transactions through its banking network, which would represent a significant change in the way money enters and exits Japan. The ramifications are profound, affecting not only the Japanese banking industry, but also Asia at large and even the Bitcoin market globally. We must first examine the current network of alliances in order to comprehend the significance of this shift. MUFG and SBI Holdings, a significant banking and investment organization in Japan that has been an outspoken advocate for Ripple and the XRP ledger, have a long history together. By acting as a link between conventional finance and blockchain innovation, SBI has been instrumental in encouraging the use of XRP throughout Asia. As the name suggests, the ripple effect is not limited to Japan. Banks in other significant Asian markets, such as South Korea, Thailand, and the Philippines, are expected to follow suit once MUFG launches XRP, according to analysts. These banks have been keeping a careful eye on MUFG, while they wait for a reliable standard to confirm that blockchain technology can be used in traditional banking. The digital yen, which is quickly gaining traction in the global financial scene as Japan investigates the future of money, is another important element in this adoption tale. In an effort to modernize the nation's payment infrastructure and stay up with global digital innovation, the Bank of Japan has been aggressively testing a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, for both domestic and international settlements. Insiders claim that the XRP ledger has been tested as a possible digital yen settlement layer, providing a scalable and safe blockchain technology that can handle large transactions. Through this integration, XRP would be positioned as the link between conventional fiat and next-generation digital currencies, creating new opportunities for global trade and enabling the digital yen to interact with other currencies and blockchain networks with ease. Speed, efficiency, and transparency are all provided by the smart use of XRP as a bridge currency. These attributes are crucial for cross-border settlements, large-scale financial activities, and the developing digital economy. To be honest, the numbers are astounding. The annual flows from the Japan-US trade corridor alone amount to more than $200 billion. And it would be one of the biggest practical applications of blockchain in international banking if even a small portion of that volume moved to the XRP ledger. Beyond trade between the US and Japan, MUFG has strong financial ties throughout Asia, Europe, and North America, which means that XRP may soon serve as the backbone of several corridors that process trillions of dollars worth of transactions. In addition to demonstrating XRP's usefulness, this degree of acceptance would significantly boost demand and push up the price of the cryptocurrency. In terms of technology, XRP is particularly well suited at this scale, providing a strong basis for the development of international finance in the future. One of the quickest digital assets on the market right now is the XRP ledger, which can resolve transactions in a matter of seconds. Even during times of heavy demand, it is built to manage incredibly high throughput without experiencing congestion. It also continuously keeps transaction costs low. Those are all essential components of large-scale banking operations and institutional-grade financing. XRP facilitates real-time cross-border liquidity, allowing money to move quickly across borders and time zones, in contrast to traditional correspondent banking systems that need pre-funded accounts, laborious paperwork, and frequently take days for settlement. The operational efficiency benefits and cost savings are truly substantial and transformative for a financial giant like MUFG, which handles millions of transactions every day across various markets. Furthermore, banks can easily convert between local currencies without having to hold sizable reserves, because to Ripple's on-demand liquidity capability. In addition to offering a degree of speed and agility that older systems just cannot match, This lowers risk and boosts flexibility. This action has economic and geopolitical ramifications as well. Asia has traditionally been thought of as an innovative region. However, as you are aware, market precedent and regulatory clarity have frequently influenced the rate of adoption. The use of XRP by MUFG may hasten regional integration and inspire other countries to adopt blockchain-powered settlements. The mood of the market is already reacting. The news from SBI and MUFG is being eagerly watched by traders and investors, and conjecture on the possibility of XRP's price growth is growing. MUFG is one of the biggest banking networks in Asia, and real-world use cases are essential for boosting institutional confidence. Its widespread use may serve as a powerful indication to hedge funds, international firms, and institutional investors that XRP is prepared for enterprise-level integration, increased liquidity, trading volume, and broad acceptance across a variety of industries such as cross-border trade, corporate settlements, and remittances could then result from this. This news has a major psychological impact as well. Given its track record of early technological adoption, Japan's support of XRP has the potential to change how the area views cryptocurrencies. Institutional players, retail investors, and even other central banks will be closely monitoring, which might lead to a wave of adoption throughout Asia. A network effect that speeds up adoption and firmly establishes the underlying asset's place in international finance is created when one significant player verifies a technology at scale and is quickly followed by others. In conclusion, there is more to MUFG's upcoming XRP adoption than just banking. For digital assets in Asia and beyond, this is a turning point that heralds a new era. It serves as a roadmap for how innovation and tradition will coexist in Asia's cross-border banking industry going forward. The partnership is expected to hasten the digital transformation of the financial infrastructure in the area thanks to SBI's significant participation. Transactions could be further streamlined by the possible connection with the digital yen, becoming faster, more secure, and more transparent than in the past. Furthermore, given the size of Japan's trade routes, the effect might spread throughout the continent and affect international trade. By bridging the divide between traditional banking and the digital future, XRP is positioned to establish itself as a fundamental asset in the region's financial ecosystem. Because to MUFG's leadership, XRP may gain more traction and impact in Asia if other big banks decide to follow suit. This might quickly increase XRP's presence in a number of markets, generating previously unheard-of demand and presenting fresh chances for development and innovation. Its goal is to firmly establish itself as a genuine bridge currency for the digital age, bringing people and economies together like never before. This is a momentous moment for traders, investors, and cryptocurrency fans that has the potential to reshape XRP's future and establish new benchmarks for the sector as a whole. As blockchain technology advances, there are countless opportunities and tremendous development potential. This is about the future of global banking and the larger blockchain ecosystem, not just about one coin or one nation. The world is intently observing these developments as they take place, with the East leading the way and setting the standard for innovation. Asia is the center of attention, and investors and markets throughout the world are watching every move. If you share the vision and wish to participate in this financial revolution, type Japan in the comments section. For more information on this historic adoption that has the potential to change the face of global banking, don't forget to subscribe. Please keep in mind that I do not hold a financial advisor license. These videos' content is solely intended for viewing enjoyment. Before making any financial decisions, I always advise viewers to do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks for listening. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Additionally, to be the first to